Hello, it's Stuart again. In this video we'll give you an idea of how long it takes to fit a set of AlloyGators. In the previous video we looked at how the AlloyGators were fitted and showed you all the steps involved. Whilst the total amount of time it takes doesn't vary too much from one vehicle to the next, the amount of time that you'll need to spend here at the car care centre does change. This is because if we know what colour AlloyGator you want fitting and what size the wheels are in advance, we can insert the metal clips into the AlloyGators before you arrive, which will save about 30 minutes. If we've already been able to clip up your AlloyGator set, then the fitting and the check-in should take around about an hour or so when we start and when your vehicle will then be ready. Whilst we'll always try to work on your vehicle to the appointment time, we can't always guarantee that we'll be finished the previous job before we get onto yours. But you can rest assured that we'll try not to keep you waiting. So in summary, the whole job takes around about an hour and a half or so, which we can often reduce to about an hour or so if we know what wheel size and AlloyGator colour you want in advance. But we can't always guarantee to start your job exactly when you arrive. Now in the next video we'll look at the range of AlloyGator colours so you can choose from. So I'll see you in the next one, and bye for now.